We are going to study about the different types of tool which are used in animates. Okay, and this is your first opening of your animate application. Look, this is the latest version, that is called the 2020, and this is the animates. Okay, this new name is animates, and we are reading the animate CC. Both are the same, but this is the upgrade version of the animate CC. Okay, now here we are going to see about the different types of tools which are used in the animate CC. Now see, the application has been opened. Now we have to click on the file option. Okay, this is the file option, and the file option we click the new, because we are going to create the new file in the animate CC. When we click on the file and new, see here, the new option will display. Okay, now see this option will display here. Now we can create, because this is the animate CC is the totally the animation software. So first of all, here how much resolution you are going to create this animation, that is the HD, full HD, 4K video. This is the more quality, and this is the standard mode. This is the basic one. Now here we are going to click in the create option. First we are going to the HD video. Okay, and click on the create option. Whatever in any file and new option will take, and when we click on the create option, the blank file will be created. This all we know about that. Now by using the blank file, will apply the different types of tools. Now see, this is the first window of the animate CC. Now here we are going to know about the different type of tools, how they work, how they perform, and how we can change the property of the different tools. First of all, we are going to discuss about the line tool. Okay, these are all other toolbox. From this toolbox we are going to select the first tool, is called line tool. Okay, this is the line tool. You know that it is used to draw the straight line. Okay, and this has the unique function is also that by using the line tools we can make it the curved line also. Now see here, just we click on the line tools. Okay, after clicking the line tools, this type of cursor will display, and clicking on here and leave it. Okay, now this is the straight line. Okay, now we have draw the straight line. Now here option that if you want to change this color, this is the red in color. If you want to change the stroke color, then click over here, and now we are going to change its color. Okay, now we'll take this color. Now see here, the black color will be drawn here. Okay, if you want to change this style, then we can change from here. This is the properties option, and we can change from this. Okay, properties, this is the dash line, and if you want to change its the dot lines, then it will come in the dot line. If you want to change the width means that's okay. Now see here, okay, how it's performing, dotted line. Okay, if you want to change this, to see there, and this is the stroke. If you want to change there, this is here, means if you want to draw the width wise, dotted line, dash line, now we can change this all properties from this properties option. Okay, now here we are going to perform, okay, to make a curved line. First of all, we have to select the line. Okay, by the selection tool. This is the selection tool, it is used to select the line. Okay, when we put this here, okay, and from it there this curved line is displayed, and after that holding left and pull down. Okay, look, see here, bending down, and again this, if you want to do this, and you can do this. Okay, again this, just hold out. Okay, and see it, just hold it. Okay, see here, just hold it. Okay, now we have already understand that what are the straight line can do this. It is used to draw the straight line also, and by the help of the selection tool we make it the curve also. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next tool. Next tool is that here, see here, this is the option side, and from there we are going to choose the, that's called the pencil tool. Okay, pencil tool, by the shortcut key we can use the shift plus Y. Okay, see here, we are going to the shift plus Y. Okay, I have used that. Look here, this cursor changes the pencil tool. Now this is the way how we can draw, and the free-handed. Okay, free-handed we can draw it. Okay, now see here, now we can draw this. Okay, if you want to make this triangle, then we can make a triangle. Okay, see here, this is the free-handed tool, we can say that about that. Now next tool, if you want to click over here, now next tool is the, this is the, okay, this is the paint brush, means Y, just we press the Y. See here, the has been changes. Okay, and from this also we can change the property of the this here. If you want to make this and this. Okay, and stroke, make this a stroke. See here, okay, this is, okay, by the brush tool we can change here. See here, okay, now we are going to do the Control Z. Okay, now here we are using the next tool, that is called the pen tool. Okay, this shortcut key is the, just press the P. Okay, just press the P, and look here, this is the pen tool, already will be discussed here. Okay, see, this is the pen tool. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the, this is the rectangle tools. Okay, and when we click on the rectangle tools, when press the Ctrl Z to finish this all. Okay, now here, this is the rectangle tool, we are going to perform this, because we have to click over here to change the this shape. Okay, now I have already changed this, now this. Okay, and make this here stroke to, okay, now we can, if you want to fill another color, click on this option color and we can choose this color. Okay, now see here, yes, now we have already seen about that, means by using the rectangle we can make a rectangle also, and if you want to make a square, we can make a square also. Look, see here, this is the square. Okay, now this, now next tool is about that pen tool has been completed, paint brush also, pencil also has been completed. Now we are going to discuss about the, this the oval, this. Okay, now we are going to draw the oval. Okay, and if you want to put the colors, from here we can change the colors. Now see here, okay, and now we are going to know about the polyester, means here, this here. Okay, now this will be draw the polyester tools over here. See here, okay, polyester, and here we are going to change the different type of okay. Now see here, if you want to draw the star, then we can, this is the option, tools option here, we can click over here and change in the star. Okay, now see here, this will be material the star. If you want to fill the color in that, in it, then we are going to put the colors over here. Okay, now put the colors. Stars color should be the, I think, twinkle in, maybe. Okay, we are going to do this. Okay, now see here. Okay, this is the option to draw the different. See here, the number of sides means 5. Here is the 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you want to put the number of 6, then it will come to the 6. If you want to draw the polygon in the, okay, polygon and number of hexagon. Okay, if you want to put there 6, now see here, the polygon will draw into the 6. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and now next tool is there, that's called the text tool. Okay, this tool is used to type the text. Okay, suppose that if you want to write this name, then here we can write the name also. Okay, suppose that star, STAR. Okay, star, we are going to write the star, then it will come in the star. Okay, now from this here we can change the, okay, height and width of this. Maybe we are going to 20. Okay, see here, the font size change to the 20. Okay, this is the way how we can perform the different type of tools. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about the other tools, means that is called the selection tools. Okay student, thank you.